If you're in the market for a restored Defender, there is no one, to my knowledge, that ticks all the boxes in the way that we do. We restore to a hugely improved quality upon the original product. My name's Grant. I am a director of Arkonik. Most importantly, I'm our customer experience director, so I look after our client services team. Once you've gone through the sales process and you've made your deposit and you've worked with our sales team and fine-tuning your specification, you then hand it over to Sam Pierce, who will be with you throughout the build process, supplying you with pictures, updating you on how your vehicle's doing as it progresses stage by stage every day. So we like to share that with our customers. Once your vehicle's finished, you'll be handed over to Scott, who's our shipping and logistics manager. He'll guide you through the process of your vehicle getting to you. He will explain everything that you need to know about the importation process. He'll be with you every step of the way until your vehicle's in your hands, including arranging for a personal handover. And we will invite you to fly down and meet with us in our new site in Charleston and tour the site and take delivery, and we'll go through all the operation of the vehicle. After that, we will be in touch on a regular basis. We will continue to care for our customers throughout their length of their ownership. We have a dedicated aftercare team who will go to extreme lengths to support all of our owners in anything that they need. What's really exciting at the moment is our Pioneer program. What we have is a membership program that we invite all of our customers to get involved with, and on top of extending your warranty throughout the time you have subscribed to the program, we will arrange for an Arkonik expert technician to visit you at your location to service your vehicle, make sure it's maintained. We also included as part of the membership, we have all kinds of fun extras. We'll invite customers out to an annual event so they can meet other members. We work with a very close-knit group of companies who handle the shipping of our vehicles. When it comes to overland shipping, we only use specific carriers who are exotic car enclosed transport carriers. Everything goes on a roll-on, roll-off, temperature-controlled vessel, a company called Wallenius Wilhelmsen. In addition, we have photos taken upon arrival to the docks. We have a 360 photo booth which will scan each vehicle. When the vehicle's on the ship, we have a team that literally go and check our vehicles specifically. And then when they arrive in the ports, our very own team will go down and collect them. We've got to a point now where we can pre-register our vehicles in the US. We can pre-register and title with a US title, so it makes the process much more simple. The customers can just take their vehicle and retitle it in their name. I'm privileged to work with clients who are very successful in their own right, who have incredible stories to tell, and all have very unique reasons for making this purchase. You get a real satisfaction out of exceeding their expectations. It's the love and the passion we put into the product. And into the customers, into the care.